We're looking at the SPY here on the daily chart. This is your whole market right here. This is your ETF of the S&P 500. Now, obviously, with Powell coming in and speaking around 10 o'clock on Friday morning, that kind of just shot everything straight up, right? So where does that kind of put us here? Well, it puts us back up next to the 646 range in here. That is going to be our first resistance. We are above that just for a little while in here on Friday, 646.5. Now, where are we going to go after that? Because that we're at all-time highs, right? So basically, we're looking at nice whole dollar numbers on the way up. So 647, 648, 649, 650 until the chart tells us otherwise. Support-wise, what are we looking at? Well, 640 is going to be key for us in here. You can see we ripped right through that, obviously, coming in on Friday. That's also where that 9-day EMA is kind of matching up. That 640.19. That's currently where it's trading. So that is going to be key for us in here to hold. Anything below that, you're looking at 634, and then you're looking down here right around that 630 level. So basically, all in all, nice whole numbers for us in here. Nothing crazy. RSI is starting to go up a little bit in here, but that's where we were back in mid August. So we're going to see how we end this month in here, and then see where we start trading as we're working our way into September. We have a holiday coming up in here in a week or so. So we're going to see how the market fluctuates going into that holiday. Now, as far as our implied volatility, your IB ranking here is sitting at $10. You have right around a $2.30 expected move priced in by Monday's expiration, Tuesday's expiration right around to $4. If you go all the way out to Wednesday, right around a $5 expected move in here. So implied volatility obviously expanded with that Powell move in here, but then also once we did get that big move, kind of nothing on the day, right? So it kind of just kind of held up here. So a little bit of volatility got sucked back out throughout that day. But so we're going to kind of see what happens in here as we work ourselves throughout the rest of this week. But again, 646 is what we're looking at, 640, and then 634. Anything above 646, nice whole number, 647, 648, 649, until the chart tells us something different. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.